This is something amazing. It's a premiere of OMANBAPA. Hashtag OMANBAPA TV at KT TV. You can watch it now wherever you are. Tune in. It's exciting. It's crazy. Bibimo! Bibimo! Imagine if we were all to take the law into our own hands. Chaos! That is why there is a rule of law. It leads to peace and sanity. Yes, you can effect a citizen's arrest, but it must be devoid of any violence, except which is necessary to restrain the individual until the police take action. Don't take the law into your own hands, my fellow Ghanaians. Respect the law. Be your brother's keeper.
Yes. Be your brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper. Let's stop violence. Be your brother's keeper. Away from your mama. Keep on clapping. Keep on clapping. Keep on clapping. Wait, come back. Keep on clapping. Stop violence. Be a good citizen. Unya OMANBAPA. That is the only thing that can grow the country. That's the good citizen. Have you got it? Wait, stay there. See guys, come behind them. Excuse me, they're in the middle. Come behind them.